Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Statistical and Geospatial inside YouTube channel. We are meeting in lesson number 33, which is about the types of data used in Spss. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe the type of data used in Spss. Spss primary variable types are two: numeric variables and string variables. The numeric variables, as the name indicates, include numbers and it does not contain letters. Example height, weight, age, or coded categorical data. The coded categorical data can be coded as 1 and 2 and etc. For example, gender, male can be coded as 1 and female can be coded as 2. That is why they're included in this category of numeric variable. The second group is the string variables. As the name indicates, these are text or characters which does not or which do not contain the numbers. Examples are names, addresses, or open-ended survey responses. The numeric variables can be divided further into numeric subtypes, which include comma, dot, scientific notation, date, dollar, custom currency, restricted numeric. These ones are actually indicated in this table with some examples. For example, the comma, the numeric subtype variable of comma, these numeric values with commas that are separating every 3 places. For example, like in 50,000, the 3 zeros are separated by the comma. The dots indicate or demonstrate the periods to separate every 3 places. It is called thousand separator. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3 dot 1, 2, 3 here, and this one actually 1,234,567. But there is a decimal here which is 0.89, and this is actually tells us about the second function of the comma here. It is used to separate the decimals. And the third one is it is used as a period in the data view, and this one actually is used to tell us about the missing value. Any missing value is actually denoted by the dot. Scientific notation. Scientific notation display very small or large number using the exponential e. For example, a large number such as 1.5 times 10 raised to power 10. So it is written as 1.5 times e raised to power plus 10. A small number such as 1.5 times 10 raised to power minus 3 is written as 1.5 times e raised to power minus 3. And the same notation also is found in scientific calculator. Number 4, dates. The Spss contains a format for dates. Now this is one of the formats where you have DD, MM, and then 4Y for the year. Example, 31st of December 1970. And there are many other formats that we're going actually to explore and see how we can use some of these. Dollar. The dollar is actually denoted by giving the dollar signs, which is known here. Now this one is 33,000.33 dollar. Customary currency, this is defined by the user. The user can define, and it is usually adopted according to the specific currency the user wants to denote. The restricted numeric, these are the non-negative integers, for example, zip codes and etc. The level of measurement in Spss. There are main 3 levels of measurement. I remember in one of the videos some time back, we discussed about the level of measurement in statistics. So there are three levels of measurement. The first level is the scale or the scalar level, the ordinal, the nominal. The scale levels, these are continuous count, and these are values with equal intervals. For example, you can have age, income, height, and etc. The ordinal is talking about data which are actually organized in order. For example, the first and the second and etc. They have meaningful order or they have rank. Values have meaningful order. The interval between the categories are not equal. For example, if you are to organize this data here as a small and medium and large, you cannot have equal interval between these ranks. And another example is when you talk about satisfaction, which is highly satisfied, satisfied, and not satisfied like that. You'll find that this is rating. Such type of data is actually ordinal data. We're going to discuss about this data when we go and look at Leica scale. The nominal measurement, type of measurement is mainly about nominal data, which are actual group such as the poor, gender, and etc., which can be male and female. Thank you, and please support my YouTube channel by subscribing so that whenever new videos are uploaded, you'll be notified immediately. Thank you once